Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. By the way, I'm Crisanto Encarnado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today pala, nandito ako sa MSO IT because I'm waiting for a client. I will be talking to him regarding sa project na kinuha niya dito sa Iligan City. And while waiting for him, I would like to discuss something regarding pre-selling. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin and most of my clients would ask kung kailan ba talaga pwedeng kumuha ng subdivision unit na hindi ka masyadong mapapamahal. Kasi most of the subdivision units that you will get, especially when it's already built, mahal na yan when it comes to selling price. Meron tayong term dito sa real estate na tinatawag na pre-selling. And i-discuss ko kung ano itong pre-selling and bakit mas mura ang pre-selling. Alright? So pre-selling, ito yung mga types of properties that you buy with a risk. Sinasabi kong with a risk because you are buying the property kahit wala pa yung unit. So, for example, you are buying a condo, pinuntahan mo yung location and yung meron doon is lupa pa lang, but nagbebenta na sila ng mga units, that's what we call reselling. And the reason why, kung bakit sinabi kong with a risk, kasi if the developer that you are trying to buy is not known developer, then it's a risk na bumili ng project sa kanila because you don't know if ma-finish nila yung mga projects. But what's good with this is that, especially when you partner with us, we have sets of developers that already had so much experience in developing projects like condo and subdivision, in which I will discuss later what are those developers. And today, himay-himayin natin bakit ba magandang bumili when it comes to pre-selling pa lang. Alright? So first of all, na-discuss ko na, ang pre-selling, it has the lowest price. Kumbaga, kung ano yung price na binigay nila during pre-selling, yan na yung pinaka-lowest price for that project. And based on my experience, hindi na talaga bumababa sa pre-selling price ang mga prices ng mga projects natin. So that's why when it's time and it's still pre-selling, yan yung pinakamurang pwede mong makuha na unit sa project na yan. Second is flexible payment terms. Alright, so bakit siya flexible? Because when you say pre-selling, hindi pa kasi siya, for example, nag-reserve ka ngayon and then in the next month, i-build na yung unit mo. Pre-selling would take years, 3 to 4 years para ma-fully develop yung project. So it means to say you have a longer time to pay off your equity. So as we all know that the banks and Pag-ibig financing, they only finance like 80 to 90% of the total contract price of the property. So yung remaining is the equity. And yung equity, it will be paid for several months. No? So for example, the equity is 200,000 and since the project is still pre-selling and there are still 2 to 3 years na mag-aantay para ma-build ang unit, so the equity will be divided into like let's say 24 to 36 months. And that is why it has flexible payment terms. And pag build na rin ng unit mo, na paid off na yung equity, so after nyan, magfo-focus ka na lang sa bank or Pag-ibig financing. Right? Yung pang-apat na rason why it's better to get pre-selling projects is higher potential returns. So bakit siya high potential returns? It's because based on my experience, the unit there na kinuha ng client ko like 2022 pa, it was just like 1.7 million pesos. But now, 2024, the price had go up already and the lowest price that you can get for a unit there is 2.3 million na, right? During the time when it's still pre-selling, nag-appreciate yung value ng unit mo. So, isipin mo from 1.7 to 2.3 million pesos. Sobrang laki na nung appreciation ng unit na binili mo doon. So, since nag-appreciate na yung value ng property mo kahit 2 years pa lang yung nagdaan, you can sell your property the current price of the project. That means if you are a real estate investor, ito yung mga tinatawag natin na flipping, no, na they buy in pre-selling at a lower price, and after 2 to 3 years they sell their property on a higher price or at a price na within sa developers TCP or total contract price, di ba? So aside sa nakamura ka na sa property, nag-appreciate pa yung value ng unit mo. So hindi ka talaga talo when it comes to pre-selling units. And the fifth benefit of a pre-selling project is that customization opportunities. There are also these projects kasi na for example, they offer this kind of project, and when you buy it on pre-selling, so the price is very low, but there are times that the developer will upgrade their units, but since you already paid or reserve the unit at a lower price, hindi na nila pwedeng ipataas yon. So if ano yung customized or upgrade ng project na yon, or yung development na gustong gawin ng developer, kasama ka na doon, and at the same price, your unit will upgrade according to the new developer's plan. So for example, tulad ng mga client ko before, they bought the unit or they reserved the unit on a location na medyo malayo sa gate. But since the developer had another plan, gumawa sila ng upgrades doon sa mga malalayong location. So yung mga clients ko na first na kumuha doon na mga units is ngayon malapit na sila sa guardhouse because the developer offered the units na malapit sa guardhouse for those clients na unang nag-reserve at na-change yung location. So at the same price, wala silang additional na binayaran, my clients had enjoyed the new location near sa gate and guardhouse. Alright, yung pang-anim na rason kung bakit okay na kumuha sa pre-selling na mga units is that this is what we call the prime location choices. Ano ba tong prime location choices? So, di ba meron tayong kasabihan, the early bird catches the worm, no? So since pag open pa lang ng project, wala pang masyadong nag-reserve, and we all know that, or most of us, will really choose the best location. Yung mga location na malapit sa mga amenities, yun yung unang nakukuha. Like for example, mga corner lots, malapit sa guardhouse, malapit sa playground, yung mga ganon, no? Or kung may swimming pool, malapit sa swimming pool. Yun yung mga isa sa advantage ng pre-selling buyers is may opportunity na makakaunang kuha doon sa mga prime location units. Alright? At yung panghuli at yung ikapito na reason kung bakit magandang kumuha ng pre-selling projects or units is ideal for long-term planners. So na-discuss ko kanina that since it's still pre-selling and hindi pa i-build yung unit, and for example, yung purpose mo sa pagkuha ng unit is for investment, it's a nice opportunity for you to get the unit because it is on its lowest value. And if you're an investor, it's an opportunity for you to earn money. Kasi when it's already done, if the unit is already built, if the project already had the roads, the amenities, and marami ng mga nakatira, the price will really go up. Kung hindi mo pa naman talaga need na tumira dun sa bahay, of course, it's a nice opportunity for you to get that unit kasi unti-unti mo siyang mababayaran, hindi siya mabigat sa'yo. Because when we say it's already ready for occupancy unit, that's the time the unit is, most of the people aangal na sa bayarin kasi mag-add up yung babayaran mo sa equity at saka sa bank or sa Pag-ibig. So di ba mas mabigat siya. Unlike pre-selling na una mong nabayad yung equity, and after paying off the equity, you are now paying for the bank financing or pag-ibig financing. So kumbaga hindi nagsasabay-sabay yung payables mo doon sa project and sa amortization mo sa bank and pag-ibig. Alright? So as promised, 'di ba sabi ko kanina is I will tell you kung ano yung mga projects na okay, yung mga pre-selling projects na sure tayo na natatapos talaga ng mga developers yung mga projects nila. So I have a list here ng mga projects all over the Philippines na ipapakita ko sa inyo, ipa-flash ko dito. So ito yung mga projects or mga developers na tested, tried and tested na talaga namin that when they sell pre-selling units, the units, the project will really finish. No? So nade-develop talaga nila. Alright? So ito yon mga developers na yon. Alright. So basahin nyo lang. Ayan. And dito sa Iligan City, the best project that we can offer to you is first is Jandorf Ventures Corporation, which is meron silang project ngayon sa Villa Castena doon sa Dalipuga, Purok 4 Dalipuga, Iligan City. So we have ongoing pre-selling units there, and pwede ka pang humabol when you want, if you want to get a unit, because there are still pre-selling units there. And the second one is the Sitosa Incorporated, located in Abuno, Iligan City. That project, they are offering solar homes. Meron silang solar setup na 3 kilowatt. It's free na pagkukuha ka ng unit doon. And yung third project is Bill Air doon sa Buroon. So yung Bill Air Buroon naman is meron silang mga malalaking units like mga 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom units, and if you want to get one, I can offer them to you. So ayan, dito sa Iligan City, yun yung mga projects na ino-offer namin. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have questions regarding the projects I have mentioned a while ago here in Iligan City. And by the way, I am not just limited to Iligan City. So I also have projects that I offer all over the Philippines. So if you have questions regarding a specific project, you can contact me anytime. Just message my social media accounts, Unboxing Real Estate PH or Crisanto Paipa Encarnado. And comment down below if you have any inquiries or any questions regarding all the projects here, real estate projects here in the Philippines and also in Iligan City. So for that, thank you so much and God bless us all. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.